Hi guys, I upped the boat today, everything working fine, but I got the new engine. It's here finally. 2 months late, but better late than never. So this will be like an unboxing video. You'll see what the engine is. First time I take off the cover. Oh! There's my bike. Yes, this is what a V8 looks like. Totally new unit. Nothing used. And I already had time to take off everything else. There are the boxes. And here's the transom shield with the adapter plate. The stern drive itself, I won't bother going into that much more. It's here, still in the box. I had it out, checked the oil level, and here we got transom shield adapter for standard installation. Won't be used here because I have the adapter plate attached to the transmission shield. Here's no, this is actually the standard. That was the adapter plate one. Power steering cylinder. Here's an RPM gauge. Standard Volvo Penta non-EVC. So this is just a rev counter with an hour meter, if I understood correctly. The weird thing is there's no ignition lock supplied with this kit. There's like standard gauges, trim meter, oil pressure meter. These are all, I don't know, it's some kind of Volvo Penta bus system. It's got 3 cables. They all look like this. Voltmeter, oil pressure meter, temperature gauge, and what was the last one? There's coolant temperature and trim. Yeah, trim meter. All look the same. And then there's, when this is a catalyst engine, there's an engine status panel with a buzzer. Drive, power tilt, trim oil, nuts and bolts for the shield. I've put everything here. These are the nuts, I think, for the transmission, transom shield, user manual and stuff like that. Rear engine mounts and cable harness. Very simple cable harness. This I'm not sure what it is. This is some kind of an extension. I hope I find out what it is, but probably needed somewhere. But yeah, quite a simple setup in my opinion. Then we've got propellers here. They are FH series. So standard Volvo Penta DPS F series propellers, but the FH stands for helical spline. So the spline is not straight as on the older models, it's helical. Yeah. I don't want to destroy them, so I'll keep them there from now. But yeah, that was basically the unboxing video, and next I'll move forward to taking out the old engine. There was a huge box, I'll put a picture maybe somewhere. There was a huge pile of boxes here waiting for me, like everything was sorted and very well sorted. Yeah, very nice looking engine. I am satisfied at the moment. This has all kinds of features. This is 100% aluminum, even exhaust manifolds and everything is aluminum block. This is basically a GMLS or LT engine, like direct injection engine. So plastic intake manifold and normal stuff like that. I'm hoping for that I won't have too much trouble mounting this machine. Yes, now I will start dismantling the old engine. It will come out maybe even today. We'll see how far I succeed with it. You can keep your thumbs up this is what the old engine looks when I renovated it a bit. I will have to put some kind of color around the engine compartment and raise it up maybe 10 centimeters, because you may think that this is a high engine when it's a 4-cylinder, but it's actually slanted and it's very not high, very low engine. But yeah, it's been run a few hours, so it needs to come out. Thank you, bye.